have got this bowl, right?
Yeah.
So this is related to Hindi and English both.
Okay.
Yes. So you have been doing Vilom Shabd opposites
Yeah.
in Hindi. So you need to pick up one chit. You need to tell me, for example, if you pick up this, what is the word written?
Day.
No. Read it properly.
Dry. Sorry.
Dry. Dry मतलब?
सूखा.
तो इसका हिंदी क्या होगा? Opposite?
गीला.
Yes, and you need to find out gila here.
Oh wow.
And if you take out Hindi, you need to tell me English, and then you need to tell me the Hindi version of it. Okay? So are you ready for it?
Yes.
Okay. What is the first word you got?
पुराना.
Purana. Purana matlab in English?
English. Old.
Okay.
In
Now place it here. उसका
opposite.
opposite क्या
New.
होगा? New. और new का हिंदी क्या होगा?
नया.
Yes. So you need to find the English version of it. Find out.
Is it?
Yeah. Where is
Is
it?
there a timer?
No timer.
Then find out.
But then you give me a good idea. I can
Yeah,
give
I
it.
got it.
Oh, you got it. So place it just opposite to this. Yes. Now what is the next thing?
Heavy.
Heavy means
भारी and
bhari, and what is the
हल्का.
halka? So halka in English is?
हल्का in English.
That means
Light.
yes. Great.
Yes, light.
Find out. What are you saying? Don't play.
Hide and seek with me. I'm your friend now. It's so halka.
Yeah, you found it. Place it here. Oh, you need to find halka only, Vian.
Oh, what a silly kid.
Okay, good one. Next one, Vian.
Day.
Hmm.
Then it's रात.
Raat opposite. Okay.
Yeah, I got it.
Hey, you got it so
easy.
fast. But day का हिंदी बताओ.
Oh हाँ, day का हिंदी मतलब opposite.
नहीं, only वैसे ही. Day का
दिन.
and रात का English.
Night.
So हम क्या कर रहे हैं? हम हिंदी का opposite भी कर रहे हैं, English का opposite भी कर रहे हैं. तो are you enjoying it?
Yes, तो दो चीज एक साथ हो जाए.
Very good.
No.
This activity is super interactive and kids are going to learn both their vernacular language as well as English, and it would be easy for them to connect and understand each and every letters or words. You can even try them giving this with timer. This would enhance their cognitive skill, and this would also help in coordination of hand and eye movement, which is even a very important skill for kids. For smaller kids, you can use this activity for recognition of capital letter and small letters, or even for recognition of numbers like Roman numbers and the numerical numbers. They need to match.
Okay.
Yes.
So you are learning so many things together.
Cold.
Cold मतलब?
ठंडा.
हाँ. Oh, you found it. Place it here. Yes. Good boy. Are you enjoying?
Yes.
Good one. Next activity.
Less.
Less. हिंदी में?
ज्यादा.
Opposite, yes. But less को क्या बोलेंगे?
नहीं,
ज़्यादा तो ढूंढो. ज़्यादा. But less को हिंदी में क्या बोलेंगे? ज़्यादा का opposite क्या होगा?
कम.
Very good. And less and more.
Less, more.
This activity is going to help the kids to improve their visual skills because they need to sort out the words and they need to relate to the English as well as Hindi. So they are working on both the languages together. Along with that, it will also help in spatial awareness and cognitive skill.
Very good.
Right.
Did you have fun doing it?
Yes, it was very lovely, and now I have learned both English and Hindi opposites.
Right? Next time we'll do it with timer.
Okay, then it would be much more difficult.
And there will be more words.
Yes.
So if you like this video of ours, please give a thumbs up to it, and please remember to like, share, comment and subscribe to our channel. Take care. Stay home, stay safe.